How to cancel order on Uber Eats. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily cancel your orders on Uber Eats. First off, you're going to have to simply install the application Uber Eats and open it up. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you might have to place an order to cancel it first. So if you've already placed any orders, it will be visible on the order section at the bottom of your navigation bar. You have groceries, explore, and then orders. And if you tap on orders, it will show you all of your available orders right here. And it will show you your past orders as well. If you want to start a new order, you could do that as well. Now, there is a catch that you have to know. If the restaurant has not accepted your orders, then you can easily cancel it from the app. But if the restaurant has accepted your order, then you are going to have to prepare the orders. So you need to contact the help and support team. You won't have an option to cancel it from the app. Go to the account section at the bottom right. Then from here, go to help. And you can just go to help with an order. So if you have any orders here, just tap on the particular order and tell them that you want to cancel it. Now, if you want to do something else, you could just go ahead and contact them directly. Or if you have the restaurant's number, you can call them directly, telling them that you want to cancel your order. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.